My name is Kenneth Boardman. I am currently a CFO of a health clinic. I have over 20 years experience in business. I have a BS, MBA, and MS degrees from University of San Francisco and Golden Gate University. I'm also an entrepreneur. I make videos based on what my subscribers want. I don't just make videos because I want to make videos. I make videos that my subscribers want. Today, I will be talking about 4 businesses that have very low chances of failure. Very important. These 4 businesses have high percentage of chances to succeed. 1, food business. As you know, human beings, we depend on food. We cannot do without food. Of course, it depends on the kind of food business you want to start. It could be a truck selling barbecue, ribs, chicken, corn, and driving from one location to the other. Mobile. Huge. Now, you can go to there are millions of different offices. You can go to different offices during their lunchtime and sell to the employees. There are so many ways. You can have a McDonald's. You can or like Kentucky Fried Chicken. There are so many food-related businesses. If you notice, these businesses doesn't fail. Whether it's McDonald's, Kentucky Fried Chicken, and many others. You can start your own food business. It could be, like I said, barbecue, ribs, chicken. You can offer different items. These foods have less chances of failure. The second one is rental properties. Yes. Despite the fact that people buy homes, but a lot of people don't really want to buy homes, they want to rent. And all over United States, whether in California or on the East Coast, rental property is huge. You notice Airbnb, multi-million dollar business. People are always renting. People are always they need shelter and they don't have to buy homes. So property rental, it could be business. It doesn't have to be residential. This kind of business does not fail. It has high chances of succeeding. Then the third one is senior home care. If you notice, due to technology, people are not dying like in their 50s as much anymore. People get to 80, 100 these days due to technology, due to medicine, and so many other different things. And because of that, there are more older people now. In the next 10 to 15 years, there will be more elderly people. And these elderly people need help. So that business will continue to flourish. And as you know, healthcare business is huge. It's a different topic. I'm currently a CFO of a health clinic. That will be a different topic that I would like to talk about. rehabilitation. Drug rehabilitation is huge. Unfortunately, there are many people in this country that are into drugs. Millions, if not, millions, of course. These people need care constantly. Congress, Senate, they've been approving funds to be able to help in these areas. And that is huge. Millions of dollars in different states and counties to starting drug rehabilitation is a huge business, and the chances of failure is so slim. The chances of success is huge. So that is the fourth business that you can start that have low percentage of failure. Very important. Rental business, food business, home care, and lastly, drug rehabilitation. I hope this short video is valuable for you. I hope the information I provided can help you to be successful. Please do not hesitate to subscribe my channel, like it, share the information to other people. Thank you once again for watching, and God bless you.